Welcome to my channel. In this video, we had to provide a solution to this radical equation here on the board. We have here if root 24 plus root 96 minus root 600 equals m root 6. We had to find the value of m that will satisfy this equation. I put down here solution. I come down here with the question root 24 plus root 96 minus root 600 equals m root 6. Here, the first step we need to consider, since we already have a simple radicand of 6 here, then in that case, we had to express each number inside the square roots in multiple of 6 in such a way that we are going to be able to get radicand of 6. Then now, 24 can be expressed as square root of 4 multiplied by 6 plus 96 can be expressed as 16 multiplied by 6 minus square root of 600 can also be expressed as 6 times 100 equals m root 6. We simplify this further. We are going to have this can also be expressed as square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 6 plus square root of 16 multiplied by square root of 6 minus square root of 6, or we have a square root of 100 multiplied by root 6 equals m root 6. Then again, 4 is a perfect square, 16 is a perfect square, as well as 100 is a perfect square. Then as such, we are going to have 4, square root of 4 will give us 2, then 2 multiplied by root 6, that will give us 2 root 6, plus square root of 16 is 4, then 4 multiplied by root 6, that will give us 4 root 6, minus square root of 100 is 10, then 10 multiplied by root 6, that will give us 10 root 6 equals m root 6. In this case, we are going to simplify this further. We have achieved a common radicand of 6 here. Then as such, we are going to carry out the normal addition and subtraction here. Then we have here 2 root 6 plus 4 root 6. That will give us 6 root 6. Then 6 root 6 minus 10 root 6. That will give us minus 4 root 6 equals m root 6. Then now the next step to be considered is for us to divide both sides of the equation through by root 6. Then here we divide it by root 6. We divide this side also by root 6. Then here root 6 will eliminate root 6 here, and root 6 will eliminate root 6 here. Then we have that m equals minus 4, and this is the value of m that will satisfy this equation here on the board. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solution. See you in the next video.